Welcome to Best Car Fixes. We have a Jeep Wrangler 2007. We changed the front control module, the fuse box, and I don't know why it keeps giving us crazy information here. So let's go together and see what happened. I'm gonna do a complete diagnose, auto scan, to see if there is any problem that need to be done. Anything need to be fixed. It's the engine computer module pass, no fault. That's where I was surprised. Okay. Wow. The car is starting now. ABS 3-fold, airbag. Let me see the report. Before I have the engine computer was tire revolution range, impulse vehicle configuration data stored. We have configuration error. That's why maybe. Okay, so let me do quick rest. Okay, no fault now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say special function. What is this? This is for the swipe bar. I don't need that one. Go back. Tipm control. Special function.
Sorry, don't go in the wet. Don't go in the wet. Hurry up.
Gateway module. Nothing there. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one here till tomorrow, see what's going on. Please subscribe, share, and like.